Okay, let's dust off this thing. I've got a lot of big announcements I gotta give you in the next couple weeks leading up to Inbound. I've been gone for the last 10 weeks, but I'm back now. This is real. This is not a pre-recorded video. Monday, August 21st, my first day back in the office, and I have missed a lot in the last 10 weeks. And so I think I'm just going to be wearing my orange hat every day for the next 2 weeks as I bring you up to speed on all the big things we've been launching and are launching and will be launching in the lead up to Inbound. So let's start things off with deal-based lists. Let's check this out. Here I am on the list page, and if I create a list, we now have deal-based lists. That's such a deal. And we're going to save that, and look at this. Look, just like with any other list, you can use things from the current deal, of course, but look at all these associated objects. You can, pull in line item or quote or shipment, that's a custom object, or your activities, if you want to look at like call duration or things with meetings. You can make lists of your deals. This is now live, fully out. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.